Let's talk about the removers. Very simple but valuable tool to save you a lot of frustration and time, and potentially save you damage to your vinyl fence if you're removing a rail. So typical rails have a barbed notch that locks them in. You can see right here, and that prevents the rail from coming out. That can be frustrating to get out. Sometimes really tight, and using a screwdriver or some of a pry bar in here just leaves marks, marring. So if you were to use these remover tools, push the rail in slightly so that the remover tool doesn't catch on the barbs of that notch. So it goes in like that. Go to the other side of the fence, push it in. Push those remover tools in nice and tight. And then just pull. What happens is these will push those notches in as you pull them out. Okay, as you pull that out, it'll release the notches from the side of the post. Pretty simple tool to use. These tools here do work on a 5.5 inch rail. This is a 7-inch rail. So anywhere between there, these rails will, this tool is gonna get the job done. Removers.